This video is here to show you how to continue trading after the chart start moving on Friday evenings around 5 p.m. And you want to continue trading on Friday evening, Saturday mornings. If you want to trade over the weekend, this will show you how to trade if you're using IQCENT. Notice here on Tradingview, the actual market stop on Friday, every Friday, and here you see 16:58, which is 4:58, 5 o'clock. So that was yesterday, April 29th, 16:58, pretty much at 5 o'clock, the candle stopped moving. You want this stop moving, but the market for currency is still going and moving, and you want to continue trading. So what you can do is on IQCENT over here to the right, you can click on candle chart. Once you click on candle chart, you'll be able to see all your candles. And this is how we set up our chart. Here to the left, you can see you can set 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. We do 1-minute trades. Click on candle. We like to use the Hikanashi. Select that. Here you can see the candles look a lot smoother. You can see it's green. If it's green, it's going up. If it's red, it's going down. It's like a smooth market moving up and down. You can actually see it. So the next thing you want to do is set up your indicators. We're going to go up here, click on indicator, and we're going to select the moving average. So you type in moving average comes up. You click this twice. 1, 2. There's 2 moving average here. And what we want to do is next thing we want to add is the stochastic RSIs. Here it is here. It's stochastic RSI. I'm going to select that. Here it is down here. Then the next indicator we're going to add is the MACD. The famous MACD. Let's click and add that. It's not as pretty as Tradingview down here where it changes from green to red, from red to green. But you can kind of see the concept where it's coming from the bottom to the top, and we're going to make some adjustments. So the changes that you want to make, the first moving average, you want to click on format, which is the settings, and you want to set the length to 2, from 9 to 2, and we're going to click on styles. We're going to click on plot color is blue now. We want to change this to green. We want to click on the green again. We want to make it dark. You'll notice this is adjusting here to the left. Then we're going to come here again, and we're going to make this line a little thicker. Notice as I'm adjusting. So for me, I like it at this point. I'll click OK. I'm going to go to the next moving average. On input, I want to change the length to 10. So this was going to be set to 10. You're going to click on styles. The plot, I'm going to change this to red. I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to make this red a little darker. And then we're going to click on the bar to make the line a little thicker so we can actually see it. We're going to click OK. Notice that the lines are behind the candle. See how this green line is running behind the candle? I want it in front of the candle. So we want to right click on any candle, go to visual order, and we want to send the candle to the back. Click on send to back, click on the map anywhere, and you'll notice the line is on top of the candle so we can see which way it's going. When the market's going up, the green line is on top. When it's going down, the red line's on top. When it crosses, see it's going down. Crosses here, it's going up. And this red line is the moving average 10. This line acts as the support or the resistance. Also, notice here, when this red line's on top, the market came up, touch, went down. Came up here, touch, went down. Touch up here. At this point, this is the resistance point of the actual market hitting, touch, and went down. When this red line is on top of your candle, the market's moving down. If it's below your candle, the market's moving up. Notice here, red line's on the bottom, moving up. Same concept. If the green line's on top, the market is moving up. The green line's on the bottom is moving down. But this green line runs through the candle. While it's running through the candle, if this line is pointing, the green line is pointing up, it's going to be going up. When it's curving, it's starting to turn. This green line is pointing in a downward direction. It's going down. So again, the red line is your moving average. It can act as a support or a resistance. So here, I just want to show you, at this point, it was acting like the support. Market came down, touched, went up, came down, touched. It's a support at this time. Came down, touched. When it's above, it's a resistance point. Market's moving down, trending down, came up, touched, went down, touched, went down. So the red line is the moving average 10. It can act like a support and a resistance. And your green line, whatever direction that is pointing, that's the direction of the market. If it's pointing down, it's going down. If it's pointing up, the market is going up. If it's starting to turn, it's going to turn a little bit. So this is an indication. Here you can see it's kind of curving and it's starting to turn and go up. Now the setting for the stochastic RSI, we go here and we're going to change the K here, the blue. We're going to change this to green because we want to keep everything symmetric. We want to keep all colors the same. I made the line thicker. You can see it. Now you can kind of see it a little better here. I want to make my green a little darker so I can see it. And then here for the D signal, I want to change the red to make it darker, make it a little thicker, and now I can see it. Now for your stochastic RSI, those are only adjustments you need to make. When it's up here, it's pointing down into the shaded area, we're going down. Notice up here, we're going down. Whenever the red's on top, it's a good indication that we're going down. As we're going up, notice the green is on top, and we're pointing up. We're going back from down here into the shade area. If you look up, you'll notice your candles, we're starting going up, and you know to do calls. This is another confirmation. And then for your MACD, we want to make the adjustments to the MACD. Histogram, you want to change it to columns. You want to change it to columns. And notice this red columns, we change this to red as column to get it as similar, as close as we can to the actual trading view. So we got the columns. Unfortunately, we can't change it from red to green. It'll stay one color. So the best color that I found was like this light gray. And you can kind of see it's crossing from below to up. And then your MACD signal, I'm going to change this to green. Let's go back in, make it dark, then make the line a little thicker so we can see it. Your signal, I'm gonna make this line dark red. Then you're gonna click OK. Let's click OK here. And here on the MACD, you can see when it crosses here, if you look up, what happened? Crosses here, your red lines on top, red lines on top, red lines on top. We're going down. You can see the market going down. Your extra column comes from up top here, down. So we're on a downtrend. So the way the MACD works, that they have, it's like a mountain. They have high points and low points. When the column's on top, there's a peak, and it'll start turning to go down. You know the market's starting to turn. When it crosses here, we're going down. Then there's a peak, a bottom peak, like an upside down mountain. Then it start turning to go back the other way. Then we know we're going back up. And that's how you can determine which way the market is going up. When this is crossing down, it's going for a put. We got red lines going down. You want to click on the red button. And as far as taking a trade, you can take trades on this screen. You can go in for a trade here. If you see which way the market is going, you can clearly go. And let's change this to cent so I can show you an example. Went to cent, I'm doing 1. And I see that we're on a downtrend. And the Hikinashi rule is that if you have red candles, to know that it's a clear indication that it's on a continuation of going down, you got a flat top and a wick at the bottom. That's clear. And the next candle will open up halfway, go down. If it's going up, got a flat bottom, a wick at the top. The next candle will open up midway and continue going up. So right now, it looks like it's going down. We're on a continuation going down. But this just look like it's curving to go up. This is like it's curving to go up because it looked like it was at its peak. So this might be turning, starting to go the other way. You can open up another IQCENT. You can open up multiple IQCENT when you log in. So what you do is change this to cent. You come here, you open up another screen here, and you pick whatever currency you're currently in. Say this is going up. currency, we're going up now, right? So I do 1 cent here, and I can do a call because I see this green candle. This is green, green. So we can do a call for this to go up. So let's do a call. I'll do a call here. And I'm in USD SEC here on my candle chart, USD SEC here. So I see it's going up. And you can, if you have 2 monitors, 2 screens, you can put this on one screen and put this on the next screen, and you can just watch it. See, and that's going up. It actually crosses. So we still got a green candle going up. And this is how you can trade on the weekend. You can see the columns here, just like it's going up. This is pointing up. You got a green candle. And this is how you set up your trading view. Well, not your trade. This is how you set up your IQCENT. See, we clear the trade. We clearly saw from what we set up. So when we set up, we saw which way the market was going. And we took the trade and we won that trade. If you hit refresh, you have to set this up again. So again, you set up your charts and then you go here to look at what currency pair you want to trade in, or here, you go to currency pair you want to look at, you want to trade. If you want to go into GBP AUD, click on GBP AUD. And then if you're used to looking at your chart this way, you go to GBP AUD, click on that, and then come here, look at which way the market is going. Again, this looks like it's going up, right? We can clearly see it's going up. We got a green candle. This is like pointing up. So you come back here and you do your call, and basically, and that's how you trade on the weekend. We call that weekend trading. Afternoon hours, Friday afternoon hours, after Tradingview, after the indicators stop moving, and that's the way you can continue trading. If you want to know which way the market's going, just log in, change your change your IQCENT to candle chart, and it'll bring you here, and you just open up 2 IQCENT. You could trade right on this. You can trade right on this screen, or you can open up 2 if you like this view, and then click on call and put once you make your determination which way the market is going. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and good luck trading on the weekend.